Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. In this video, you will learn how you can make $20 per minute every single minute. Okay, and it will come with bonus points, bonus systems, and it will come with my premium software 100% free that will actually make it happen. This can be done by any beginner. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can do it, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. And the best of the best way, you can get paid through any payment processor. You can use PayPal, Stripe, or Warrior Plus, or JVZoo, ClickBank, or you can get paid through gift cards or even crypto. Before we begin, we request you to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next money-making video. Hit the share button and share this video with your friends and family if you want them to learn how to make money online as well. But this video has a slight difference than other money-making videos on the YouTube, as this will show you the real way and the easy way and the most sustainable income system using YouTube. So yes, if you are ready, let's begin. It started from a video I watched from another famous channel. I'm not gonna name the channel because I have something negative to talk about that particular video. So I will share how this video claims that like a video and get paid $10 every minute. 5 likes, $65, and make money online. So we tried this and we want to tell you whether this really works or not. If it works, how you can make more money. If it doesn't work, how you can really make this amount and even more. I mentioned $20 per minute. So okay, in this video, they talked about a website called Rapidworkers.com. Rapidworkers.com is basically a freelancer website. Clients need micro works to be done. They post the jobs, and workers like you and me would sign up as a worker and get those tiny jobs done and get paid tiny amount of money. First of all, you have to sign up and use your name. I'm going to use my name. I will put my email, password, and my country. This is very important. Look at these notifications. You cannot use VPN, you cannot use any other country's name, or you cannot take a job that is assigned for another country. So you must do only those works that are internationally available or specific to your country. Click I'm not a robot, click I agree to these above, and read the terms and click create my account. Okay, my account has been created and I received an email. I have to click here to activate my account, and my account is activated, and now I can log in using my email and password. I have to click captcha and click submit. Now I am in, and this is how the account looks like. So what I can only do are the works that are either available to my country, like this one. Download the PDF book and get $1.55 fast payment, very easy task. It will take 3 minutes time and $1.55 will be paid. And it's available on UAE. So I'm going to click and download the PDF ebook and get $1.55 fast payment, very easy task. So step number 1, what is expected? So I will read everything here, and then number 1, go to this website. I'm going to copy this URL and go to another browser tab. So that's the ebook. Click here to download the ebook, and it's locked. So click here again, it's locked. Alright, complete 2 offers below to download your book. Enter your phone number to unlock your content now. Enter your PIN to search any UAE info instantly. Enter your PIN to download. Alright, so I will enter my phone number. I just put my phone number, and now I don't know what password to use. So I have to click exit, and it's done. So I could not complete the task and I'm not paid. The next one, let's try this. Sign up and confirm email, which will pay me 10 cents. Or I can actually try something else. Click here to send PIN to download now and see how it works. Click subscribe, and it's saying somehow my mobile number or invalid MSI. Let's try another one. Why not? Subscribe now. Cool stuff. Another one here. Subscribe now. Try it for free. Very unfortunately, I'm giving away my mobile number, but I'm not receiving anything. So what does it mean? These offers are fake offers. Okay, why not try another one? Go to this link. If I sign up, they will pay me 10 cents. It's Payoneer. I already have Payoneer. So how can I sign up? Sign up and earn $25. So long story short, these are not as easy as they sound. Now let's go back to YouTube. the type of tasks that this video actually advised to search. So I got one, viewing great YouTube videos, but it's for South Africa. So I'm gonna go for international. So YouTube fast payment V12, YouTube fast payment, WordPress Elementor, 3 cents, 3 cents, this one 15 cents. Download and upload my video on YouTube. Okay, let's click here. So hello, clear your browser history before starting my task. Link to download this video is here. So download the video from OneDrive, download the thumbnail from OneDrive, copy the title, description and tags, add them to your upload from here. All right, watch now exactly how should upload my video to your channel. This is the instruction video, which is 1 minute 58 seconds. Watch how to verify the channel to add the downloaded thumbnail to your uploaded video. Important, I will not pay if there will not be the thumbnail that I put for download. There will not be title which I put for video. There will not be a description which I put supplied for the video. There will not be the tags that I supplied for the video. Likes and comments to video will not be turned off. So if I finish this task, it will be 15 cents. Okay, watch, subscribe and like, 6 cents, 433 done out of 700. So click here and it's international. Click the link below to see the screenshot was removed. Please search the keyword as seen as above. Watch video, subscribe to channel, like video and share to all social media except WhatsApp. Do not share the WhatsApp. I repeat, I will not pay if you share to WhatsApp. Required proof that task was finished. Yes, a proof of your working is required or you will not be paid. So if the screenshot was removed, I'm not able to perform the task. This one, watch and subscribe. Again, 3 cents. YouTube search this keyword and click the video with your real account. Watch the full video, then subscribe to channel. Don't subscribe before watching full video or I can't pay because the subs get removed by YouTube. Very important. I will check if you skip, you will not get paid. It's taking a long time to load the image. Alright, to wrap it up, these types of tasks are doable, but you have seen that there are different instructions for every task. For every task, you have to read, understand, and actually perform. Do you think it's possible to finish the job within even a minute? Even if you finish within a minute, the pays are just 3 cents, 6 cents, 1 cent. Is it really possible to make $10 per minute, if not $20 per minute? Absolutely not. Is it really possible to make $10 per minute by doing these tasks with this type of rate? Absolutely not. But again, if this is good money for you with the time you're spending, go ahead, do it. You'll still make money. So what we see here, this video is informative, it's awesome, but it really doesn't work that way. If you make it too fast, if you're really fast, maybe this website will ban you or the clients will not pay you because they will think that you are a robot. So what's the real way to make money online? Real easy and real fast. Now let me share the real and easy way to make money online. You have to change 2 mindset. Number 1, instead of you making money alone, think about helping others and make money in the process. So example, our video. We're making these videos to give away real information and free information so you make money. What are we getting from this? Look at our channel analytics. If you go to our analytics, in last 28 days, we got 22,000, around approximately 22.3 thousand views. Now you have just seen the fake ways to get views. But do you think this much views? Most of our content views are like 100, 150, 120, 200, 300. Why are so low where we can pay pennies and get views? I mean, buy views from Rapidworkers.com. Because all these views are 100% legit. Real viewers, real people who are looking for real information just like you. And that's why YouTube is helping us with real views, real people like you. And that is why we are making $2.20 per view. Now, whether you buy anything from us or not, on the average, we are making this money from all different directions. So what are we doing? We are helping others with our effort, with our research, and giving away our softwares 100% free. Links will be in the description. So I'll show you how you can make videos just like us without being in front of the camera, without speaking yourself, without even writing a script. Now, what could be your topic of video? Look at Uber Suggest and look at some keywords that people are looking for. Hosting. Everybody who's looking to do anything online, make money online, they need a hosting server and a website. So everybody is looking for a hosting server, and every month hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people are searching for hosting. They want to know about hosting server, which server is good or bad, because they have to pay monthly recurring fees for those servers. So this is expensive. Whether you make money or not, you must pay for hosting servers. But we solved this problem from our company. We made a service called HostZpresso. The users pay only one time and they get their hosting server free. We solved this problem and people are happily buying. So what you can do and how you can make money, look at us, how much money we are making from our offer. So far, we sent 2,789 people to the offer. 32% people are buying. So out of every 100 people, 32% are buying. And from every single click, we are making $5.63. So you can imagine all these real views that we are getting from our channel are somehow automatically paying us $2.20. So you can make videos about hosting server. Very easy to do. I will link a video that shows you how to make videos using this software somewhere here or here in the cards or in the link in the description. You can get this software free and make videos about hosting server. Where will you learn from? You don't really need to learn. First, go to Uber Suggest or Google Keyword Planner tool, or even look on YouTube about information on hosting servers. Look at this, how to choose the right hosting server for you. 55,000 views from one video. So talk about these informations using my softwares, publish them on YouTube using my software. You don't have to be on the camera, you don't even have to speak, you don't even have to write the script. The software will do everything for you. How to use it? I'll leave a link somewhere in the cards or in the description. And the software is free, go get it, use it, publish on YouTube and get views, make money just like us. So if you want to promote HostZpresso, you need an account on Warrior Plus, free account, and then go to affiliate section, click offers. Then search for HostZpresso, hit enter, and you will find this offer. Go click get link or click request. In your case, from new account, you will see the request button. Once you get approval, your link will look like this. Right click, copy link, and that's it. Share your link in the description of your videos and ask your viewers to visit that link for their hosting server for literally one-time payment. They will love to buy and you will make money just like us. Now the second secret. If you look at this channel or our channel or any other channel, you'll see a lot and lots of videos. Why? Because number one, the secret number one, you need a mindset of helping others and make money in the process. And secret number two, do what works for a long time. Internet is such a platform that it will help you if you have this two mindset integrated in your system. Number one, help others and make money in the process. And number two, do what works for a long time and never stop. All these YouTubers started making videos. In your case, you don't have to be in the camera because you will be using my software. And then YouTube and search engines and other social media and their viewers start sharing their videos. Send more and more viewers to the videos and their videos go viral. Their videos get ranked in search engines. They generate views, clicks, sales, and make money. This is the real way to make money, and in fact, the easy way. My softwares are free, my advice is free, my videos are free. Go ahead, use them and make money. Did you like this video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next real and easy money making videos. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. This way you share with them how to make money online the real way and the easy way. And they will love you because you're sharing the truth with them. And we will see you in the next video.